its thing. Maybe I hotbox the ILGM tent in the meantime.
Of course, doing promos.
Fuck. Alright, chat, it has been like 12 hours on our end, and I have some good news and some bad news. The good news is that we have RSO. The bad news is that our jar cracked, so all the RSO is at the bottom of this. So I'm gonna scoop that up, and we're gonna try to put it in the syringe. I went and got one yesterday. I literally just woke up, and I was like, my RSO! So I got these guys right here, because I see that most people put their RSO in the syringe. It's usually a lot thinner. I didn't have the thin one, so we're just gonna make it work with this. Like that. This is about half right here. So we're about to put the other half in. This is going to be a lot of RSO. Now that our RSO is done, let's take a celebratory puff here. Cheers. Oh, that was a good puff. I kind of want to give it a try. I don't want to do too much. I have a shit ton of stuff to do today, but I want to do a little bit. This is a large amount of RSO. I know this doesn't look like a lot. It's like, oh, not even a full syringe. That's a lot of product because this shit is really strong. So I'm gonna shove it into this cucumber butt, and I'm gonna squeeze a bit out. Okay, I'm gonna shove it in there. Oh my god. I don't know what this is gonna do to me. You know what? Fuck it. Let's shove it from the other side too. This is gonna be interesting. I'm not gonna think about it. I'm just gonna go for it. That was the most difficult thing I've had to eat. There's a whole other side left. Okay, don't think about it. Don't put it in a cucumber. Not the move. Put it in like a puff pastry or something. Woo! That was nasty. No. I'd rather take another bong rip. Oh my god.
Oh shit, I knew that one couldn't go well.
That's how you make RSO. Good luck to me after this. Now we are able to make edibles for probably like 6 months. So maybe one of the next upcoming videos we use this to infuse something. Let me know what we should infuse in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and massive shout out to ILGM for sponsoring me and my grow and making all of these fun videos from my harvest possible. I'll see you next week. No, for real, I might be sleeping until next week after eating this RSO. Woo!
It's heavily concentrated, so I'm just gonna apply a lot and then, yeah.
Wow, that's Snoop Dogg, the Godfather. I hit that blunt, I'm going to see
I
the
like
father.
this.
Damn, Earth was cool. Oh, this gas, 93 octane. God, take me now. Hey, cool it. He got another one sparked already. He being unreasonable. This beyond me. If he think I'm finna hit that blunt again, heavens no, I'm high, bucko. I'm puzzled. I'm finna give it right back to him and tell him I hit it 10 times already. I'm finna call 911 and report an attempted murder. He keep passing me blunts. He think we in a relay race. What a bummer. I'm finna put this out, and if he asks why, I'm gonna tell him I'm allergic to marijuana. Weed for me stand for with each exhale, I'm about to die. He gotta knock it off. I done already took 2 blunts. He done sparked a 3rd one. Smoke monster. I'm finna play sleep. I'm comatose. Big fella, you took that blunt to the head. Now you finna be in the nearest hospital bed. This ain't the move. I'm finna scoot. He a different bro.
Step into a world few have explored, a place where tradition collides with an unexpected twist. Picture this, the simplicity of Amish life blending with the thriving cannabis industry. Yeah, you heard that right. The same community known for horse-drawn